You're watching my Planet Earth series of talks. This segment is 42. My subject today is fog formation. Fog is a natural weather conditions that can cause visibility to become zero. It can cause accidents on normally safe roads and is such a serious weather condition that schools delay the start of the day until the sun burns it off. So how does fog form? First, it is important to understand that fog is basically a cloud on the ground. This means, like clouds, it is a collection of tiny water droplets formed when the evaporated water is cooled. The way it is cooled determines how fog is formed. The first way that fog is formed is by infrared cooling. Infrared cooling happens due to the change of seasons from summer to fall and winter. During the summer, the ground absorbs solar radiation. As air passes over, it is made warm and moist. When the seasons change, this mass of warm, moist air collides with the cooler that is now prevalent. This causes the water vapor in the air mass to condense quickly and fog is formed. This fog is often called radiation fog due to the way it forms. This kind is the most common type of fog. It also happens when an unreasonable day of warm weather combined with high humidity is followed by dropping temperatures. The next way that fog forms is through advection. Advection is wind-driven fog formation. In this case, warm air is pushed by winds across a cool surface where it condenses into fog. There are also other kinds of fog like hail fog or freezing fog. Each of these conditions is where condensed water droplets are cooled to the point of freezing. There is also fog formed over bodies of water. One type is sea smoke. This is a type of fog that forms when cool air passes over a warm body of water or moist land. In general, we see that fog is formed whenever there is a temperature difference between the ground and the air. When the humidity is high enough and there is enough water vapor or moisture, fog is sure to form. However, the kind of fog and how long it lasts and its effects will depend on the different conditions mentioned. I got a video animation for you on the fog formation.
In mountains, the air on the slopes cools much more rapidly than the air in the valley. The cool air subsequently sinks down into the valley, often forming a fog. Along very steep cliffs, the air blows out of the valley as a breeze.